Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy BBRation777. We're back at it again with another video. Today we have an unboxing video. I just got this box in the mail, with some planes inside. So let's open it up. I ordered this from Waffle Collectibles for $245, $215 with shipping. So let's see what it is. Let's check it out. What's inside? Yo, okay. Yo, we got the Northwest 747. Yo, that looks amazing from Phoenix. What else we got? Yo, the British Airways 747-200. Wow, beautiful. And then we got two more airplanes inside. Get this box out of the way. And let's see what we got in here. The Japan Airlines 747-200. Nice. These are from Phoenix models. These are from Phoenix, these models. And then finally, we have the Jets Delta 767-400. This is from the new releases. So yeah, this is our airplanes we got from Waffle Collectibles. So I think we're going to start with the 767 first. And then we're going to get onto the 747. So here it is, the Delta 767-400. This is my first ever 767 from my collection, and yeah, it looks very nice. I'm gonna get more of this aircraft. So just your typical Jets box, and then there it is inside. And let's take it out of the box. I wanted these models for a very, very long time, so this is gonna be a worth the opportunity. Check it out. Yo, check it out. Look at that, bro. The 767 looks very nice. Take the plastic off. And here it is, the Delta 767-400. Here it is, the Delta 767-400. Wow, this is a beautiful model from Jets. I wanted this aircraft for a very long time. So here it is, Delta. They got their 767s, I think, in the 2000s, and look at that, 2000s. And they fly to Atlanta and other places in the United States. I actually saw this plane in Atlanta last year in the summer, so that was really cool. So let's take a look at the detail. Starting with the cockpit windows of the 767, you got the cockpit windows, the SkyTeam logo, and this little special logo on the airplane. The Delta logo, the landing gear with that beautiful Delta logo. We got General Electric CF6 engines, and here's the long wing. And this is a really long aircraft. It's like a 777. The cockpit is actually designed like the 777. Yeah, this is a very nice airplane actually. And the registration is November's 842 Mike Hotel in the beautiful tail. This is a very nice model by Jets. I love this aircraft so much. I'm glad that I got it. I want to get the United 767-400 next in the future. So yeah, that's the Delta 767. That's the Delta 767. And here's the cradle of the airplane and the box. It's actually the 25th anniversary for Jets. Alright, so let's do it on the 747s. So we're gonna do the Northwest one first. So here it is. This is the Northwest 747 from Phoenix. I wanted this airplane for a long time, and this is a really nice airplane to have in the collection. So Northwest logo, the good old Northwest Boeing 747. Size of the box. This is a very nice box from Phoenix. Now let's take it out of the box. And thank you guys for all the support. We're at 467 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. And wow. Yo, this looks amazing. This looks amazing. Let's see, I can take it out right there. Let's check it out. Wow, this is a beautiful model. Wow. This is a beautiful airplane. I just love the 747 so much. It's so iconic to look at. My dad actually flew a Northwest 747. It's a 200 series back in the 80s from Tokyo to Detroit with a stop in Anchorage and down to Detroit. So here it is, the Northwest 747. And the landing gear is a little bent. Oh well, it's alright. So Northwest, they're no longer an airline. They got bought by Delta. They had 747s from Delta, but they retired them. So yeah, here it is in the bowling shoe livery. This is probably my favorite livery from Northwest. It was in the 90s and they used it from the 2000s, and they got another livery, and then they got bought by Delta. But just look at the colors, man. It looks beautiful. I just love how the 747 looks. So here's the, if it can focus, I'm sorry. Here's the cockpit windows. I got the upper deck of the 747, the lower deck with the first class area, Northwest logo, and these are Pratt & Whitney engines. Northwest is actually the first airline to get the 747 back in 1988. And here's the landing gear. It looks really detailed. And here's the back. The registration is November 667 Uniform Sierra with the Northwest tail. So yeah, this is a really beautiful model from Phoenix. I'm glad that I got it. I'm gonna get more 747s in the future. So yeah, that's our second model. I'm trying to do this as quick as I can because I have another class coming. So let's do the British Airways 747-200. This is another airplane I wanted for a long time, and the Landor livery. I love this livery. This is another Phoenix model. It's a really nice box. It's a really nice box from Phoenix, and let's take it out. See if I can take it out. Yo, look at that. That looks amazing. That just looks amazing. Oh, it's difficult to open. Okay, there we go. When you get airplanes brand new, it's always hard to open the cradle. And here it is, the British Airways 747. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh, it's missing, the wheels came off. I just realized that. Oh well, I'll have to fix that later. But here it is. The British Airways 747. That looks amazing. The Landor colors. It looks beautiful. Yeah, look at that. This is a beautiful airplane. Yeah, the landing gears, they came off. I'll have to fix that later. But here it is in the Landor livery. It looks beautiful. I just love the old Landor livery. It looks very retro. British Airways got their Landor livery back in 1984 and had it into the late 90s. But this is a beautiful airplane. I just love it. Here it is. So that's that one. I don't have time to review it because I have to do school, but the registration is Golf Bravo Oscar X-Ray Oscar. So I'm going to put that there. And the wheels I'm just going to leave in there. Alright, the last one is the Japan Airlines 747 in the old livery. This is another airplane I've been wanting for a long time in my collection, because I just love the old colors. And here it is. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Yo, look at that. Look at that. That is just a beautiful. Oh no, it's also missing the wheels as well. But oh well, it's okay. But look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Japan Airlines 747-200 in the old colors in the 80s and the 70s. This is beautiful, bro. I just love the old livery from Japan Airlines. It looks retro. There's that black nose. That's the only thing I like about from back in the day. They had black noses. But anyway, here's the cockpit windows with the logo right there. The upper deck. All the 747s have this. Japan Airlines and the Pratt & Whitney GT90 engines. And on the British Airways one, it's Rolls-Royce. And look at that. That's just beautiful. And the registration is Juliet Alpha 8149 in the tail with the 747. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing of these 4 airplanes. Yeah, look at that. Look at all the planes we unboxed. They're just beautiful airplanes. 3 747s and 1 767. But these are beautiful airplanes. I just love the 747. I just love it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace out.